In this video, I will show you how to download and install Canva on your PC, laptop, or Mac. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type "Download Canva" and press Enter. From the results, open the official Canva website. Once the website loads, look for the option to download the Canva desktop app. If you're using Windows, click the Download for Windows button. If you're using a Mac, select the option for Mac OS to download the Mac version. Once the installer has finished downloading, open the downloaded file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the installation to complete. The process should only take a few moments. After Canva is installed, open the app. The first time you launch it, you'll see an option to log in through your browser. Simply sign into your Canva account, and you'll automatically be redirected back to the desktop app. Once you're logged in, you can start using Canva directly from your desktop without keeping another browser tab open. And that's how you can download and install Canva on your PC, laptop, or Mac. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.